Hey YouTube, how's it going? Doug here from Bestie Custom Fab. It's been a while. I've been busy, so stick around. I'll show you what I've been doing. Well, let's talk about what I've been doing. I've been busy, lots of stuff. Big jobs, small jobs, medium jobs. I've been busy. Here's what I did a couple days ago. You know these big knives with the big blades? Be careful. I learned a good lesson about blades and knives and thumbs and blood and stupidity. So, I've been working on some doors. I've been removing glass. That's how I cut my thumb. The glass is all glued to some parts with this urethane shit, which is harder than my thumb. Anyway, so I was cutting it off. I found a new way to do it. Let's use a heat gun. Let's be smart. Fucking dummy. Anyway, I take the glass out, and I had these parts laser cut, and I painted them myself. Look at this guy. And put them back together and make a cool looking door. It looks way better than whatever that was. I also made these little pockets that bolt on here, and the customer just specified they wanted a pocket for a notepad or a iPad or whatever the hell they want to put in there. So yeah, lots of stuff. I've got one in the works right now, and there's all the parts for the door in a huge mess because that's how I roll. Anyway, one last tip. When using a mag drill, I've been using a mag drill a bit lately, keep the slugs. You know those little pieces that come out? They're just... whoops, they look like that. They come out, they end up on the floor. Then you sweep them up, then you put them in the garbage. Well, don't put them in the garbage. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Fuck, don't listen to me. But I'm building a small project for a guy today, and I've got some 1/2-inch Sked 40 pipe that I want to cap the end of. And guess what? Just like that. No, I won't glue it in there. Although the patina matches really nicely with the pipe. Almost like it was made for that. So I've got a random selection of... I got some pieces that I cut off. Breaking in bandsaw blades. Those are good too. Some other... That's a different size. I don't know what size that would be. Just save everything. Be a hoarder. Be like me. Fucking hoard everything, and one day you might use it. So that's my tip of the day. Be a hoarder. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like my videos, subscribe. Bestie Custom Fab, rock and roll.